Today we all have gathered in order to have a group discussion about a control system and its applications, particularly in washing machines. So as a concept we have already learnt about open loop and closed loop systems. So anyone tell me what is open loop and closed loop system?
For open loop there is no feedback, only input and only output.
Yes, very good. So for an open loop system we will have an input and whatever is the output that we get, we should be satisfied with that. So in order to overcome that drawback, we are moving on to the closed loop system. So anyone, could you please share what is closed loop system?
In closed loop system, there is a feedback between the input and output.
Yes, very good. So that is, we will have an input and we will get some output. So if that output is not the required one, we can take the feedback from the output and again it is reverted back to the input so that we get the required output. So here, nowadays washing machine is a major requirement in all our household appliances. So mainly the washing machine is used for cleaning the clothes, and in washing machine there are many types like basic level to the automatic level, upgraded level. So in washing machine we have both open loop and closed loop as well. So now let us discuss about any one. For particularly let us take LG washing machines and let us discuss about the components and the advantages and disadvantages that we have in it.
So I am Rahul. The empathy part really suggests that the user who wants to clean clothes with less effort, less power, and less. This also results in common problems that the clothes does not clean well, and the fixed timing, and also there are lot of wastages in power as well as water. The users expect smart machines instead of users expect smart machines, but most of the common machines are do not adapt with different needs. So the focus is to design a solution that is smart, efficient, and user friendly.
I am Sanjay. I am here to define the problems faced by the users. Actually, the washing machine developed by the LG Electronics works on the custom programs presets. The actual components of the washing machine system are input, controller, actuators, process, and output. In input, user settings like fixing the time and the wash mode. There is a motor pump and the water valve, and the processes are spinning, washing, and rinsing. And we get the output as a clean brush. In this, there is no feedback. So the system does not check whether the cloths are completely clean or actually clean. So the actual problem faced with the users were the system does not check whether the cloths are actually clean. So the system is open loop system. Thank you.
I am Sivaruki. Now I am going to share about the idea part why it is open loop and how it is working. In an open loop system, the washing machine runs based on fixed time and sequence, and there is no feedback from output to the input. In the washing machine, once the program starts, it runs automatically, and that does not measure the dirt level and cleanliness, just washing, rinsing, and spinning the clothes based on the timer. So it is called an open loop, and because the output does not control the process.
I am going to say about prototype. We can represent the system like input, controller, actuators, and the output. The input is user selection, and the output is cleaning cloths, and the actuator is washing performance. Missing element is feedback. We can improve the idea like add sensors, dirt sensor, and water sensor, and weight sensor. Then the system can become a closed loop. The system will improve the performance.
Hi everyone, I'm Hassan. I'm going to say about the test and the conclusion of this machine. So, to know the results of these machines, we came to check about the limitations of these machines. So, the limitations of this open loop system are no guarantee of proper washing, and also we cannot adjust it while washing, and we cannot also increase the dirt level while the process is going on, and the machine can do overwashing or may consume more electricity, time, and can waste more electricity, and we cannot adjust the machine according to our requirements. So to understand this problem, we concluded that modern machines use closed loop feedback system to overcome this problem. So this is how we overcome it.
Okay, now I could clearly know that we have learned the difference between the open loop and closed loop system based on a washing machine application. So this type of learning creates more involvement even without learning from the book. This type of discussions can create more ideas and innovations. So let us all meet in the another discussion. Thank you.